This is the view from downtown Brooklyn, just outside our hotel. Yeah, this is what's going on. Not much doing because we have business. Right, I'm staying right here. Yeah, this is what's going on. So you can see way in the background the Brooklyn Bridge. It's way down there. Let me see if I can zoom in. See if I can zoom in. Hold on, let's see if I can zoom in. Yeah. See the Brooklyn Bridge there? Way in the background. Yeah man, that's where we are. So where we're heading now, there's a protest going on. Human rights protests happening. I don't know if you can see the crowds, people coming back with their flags and thing. And yeah, I said we can get some footage of the protest that's going on. Well, I think police break it up now. So, see it's happening way up there. Beautiful. Yep. Thank you so much. Did you get it on the top? Yes. I make sure I get that too. Yes. Thank you so much. Have a good day. See that? Reunite the picnic them. Oh, so the protest was happening.
What you see from there?
Yeah, the protest was happening in Manhattan, and so they broke off the bridge, and so the people them just walking across the bridge back to Brooklyn. So we're not gonna really walk so far over to the bridge, but just to know, so the people them have voiced them opinion against what they call injustice. You know, with the kids them. And all these things. So it's really a touching thing to know that people are galvanizing their strengths and letting their voice be heard. Yeah, it's a big thing. It's nice to see the school of people coming from the protests. Also me and music I play too. Yeah, me stay right just and watch the rest side. So, where we're at now, that's the Brooklyn Bridge entrance. And pretty much everybody coming from that side is part of the protest team. Yeah. So, it's a really good thing. Yeah. See? So that sign says it's hot. Big things, big things. Thank you. Yeah. So we're looking at a sea of people all the way back, you know, walking from over the bridge, protesting Donald Trump and the whole children separation issue. And it's happening in Brooklyn, it's happening in Manhattan. We can't hear it on the loudspeaker. It might be in the park over there. Might be in the park. You know? But this is what's happening currently as we are here in Manhattan. Gonna keep you posted. We're gonna find which part of the rally I keep. See, some things are going on over there. So, yeah man. How do we get across there? So we have to turn back. Kind of crossing the there, so, you know? So we have to turn back and go round back round there, so.
Oh, you can't cross?
No, you don't cross in here, so you either go down in one tunnel.
Oh, so people are crossing like that?
No, I climb over the railing. You remember we now do that. See there? We have to go back and go round back on the road there, right there, so? And go so.
More sketchy people in the bridge. You can't catch him, man. Yeah, exploding. You hear the crowd?
Yeah, then that may tell us better we go that side there. Alright, we're gonna check it out. This is Yardie Belly investigating reporter signing out. So we found where the protest is and we're heading towards it right now. People are protesting against separation of families by the administration, and so we're gonna go check it out.
When I hear, imagine what we would be if we were to connect the struggle of all the resistance movement against the drug administration. Imagine the labor movement, the women's movement, the fight to start against system of oppression for our families, those seeking freedom everywhere to come together as a people. Because our fight is the fight of the people. And the people united will never be defeated. The people united. The people united. Ahora, el pueblo unido. El pueblo unido. Let's fight, and let's win. Thank you, everybody.
Let's give it up for Hector. I want you guys to give the biggest cheer you can right now for the marchers who are still on the bridge making their way over. I don't think they can hear you. You can do better than that. Now I'm excited to bring up Padma. Cadman is a New York Times best-selling author and host, executive producer of Top Chef, and an ambassador of the ACLU and co-founder of the Endometriosis Foundation of America. Join me in welcoming her with an amazing round of applause.
Hi everybody, how are you guys doing? I want to thank you all for standing in the hot sun. I want to thank everybody who gave up their Saturday to be here from the bottom of my heart. I am an immigrant. I'm a proud immigrant. I came here from India when I was 4 years old. I'm the daughter of a single mom who's an immigrant. And I am also a mother. And all of these things make me sick to my stomach when I hear what is happening at our borders. This is not a partisan issue. It is an issue of common decency and humanity. This is an issue defining who we want to accept this. We will not accept it, and this is not who we are as Americans. I'm ambassador for the ACLU, and I'm here. Thank you. Yes, the ACLU is not a school. Nobody is illegal. We're here to stand up as human beings to the Trump regime.
So we left the protest area and we're on the road now, just right the entrance of the Brooklyn Bridge, and there's just streams of people coming over still from where the protest started in Manhattan, just coming over. People from all color, creed, size, shape, lifestyle choices. I mean, the support is crazy. The support is amazing. What's happening here? People voicing their opinion about a system that is separating families at the border, criminalizing those who would seek asylum, and people are saying they're not having it, they can't deal with it. And so I do hope that the powers that be take note of what's happening all around this country and rectify it as soon as possible. Yeah. As a Yardie Belly thing, stay will support everything that is good and positive with human effort at the main thrust of it. Going on, guys, it's a rally against, a protest against human detention and all them something there. And I tried to give you as much footage as I could, but the sun hot and everything, so it's good to be in a situation where people are voicing their opinion about social injustices and different things that are happening in the city. And it is great to know that different races, different people can rally and just meet and talk about this and voice their opinion about what's going on. And I'm glad that I was able to be here to be a part of this, and I do hope that everybody share this video, like it, subscribe, comment. If nobody does anything, nothing new will happen. If somebody does something, something may change. Something may just change. So once again, big up each and everyone, and hey, let's continue to do the best we can. Yes. Can I take a photo with you, sir? Sure. See? Abolish ICE. That's what it says. Abolish ICE. Thank you so much. All right. So big up on yourself. Yardie Belly TV reporting the news. Peace out.